Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Shirogorov Sinkevich collaboration Kami Flipper, here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Yes, this is a truly fantastic one. I really like it. There's maybe a couple things I would have improved. We're gonna check and talk about those in the full-length review. But this guy, I mean, it comes with a brown box, which is for the collaborations and for the special editions, and it's not the black box. And of course, you've got your Shirogorov cloth and your certificate of authenticity, and then of course you got your Kami Flipper. This is a Dmitry Sinkevich collaboration with Shirogorov. It's 300 limited edition knife made in Russia. It's gonna be around $1,500, and it's a fantastic size. 8-inch overall in length, with a I would say 3.5-inch long blade and 4.5-inch long handle. So truly a gorgeous size. It's a titanium frame lock with some beautiful milling going on, blue anodized pivot with a dual tone finish matching these screws here, geniusly placed on the clip with integrated lanyard hole, deep carry pocket clip titanium 3D milled. I mean, guys, it's fantastic. It's a beautiful titanium frame lock with the complex grind, S110V steel. You see, like, there's a dual tone finish, satin flats, fantastic swedge going on. This shape is just gorgeous, full belly. Here you have a flat grind, fantastic plunge grind in the Shirogorov style. And on this side, you've got, to be kidding me, we have two plunge grinds, we have a chisel grind. I mean, this is asymmetrical grind. You can actually appreciate it from this point of view, and I mean, it's so unique. It's fantastic. Internal skeletonization. I love it. I mean, the action. This guy is running on multi-row roller bearings, and it's so smooth that it kind of feels like on roller bearings. Really, really cool indeed. You have a minuscule flipper tab, absolutely unobtrusive. I think Nick Shabazz would love this guy. It's a truly nice one, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.